engineering robot transforming. Hello everyone. I am the CKMM Hydraulic Excavator CKW1350F. As a 130-ton class large mining machine, I am specially designed for high-intensity operations in open-pit mines. With reliable and durable core components, the customized PIS electrical system and high-pressure common rail fuel system provide exceptional energy efficiency. Advanced hydraulic technology combined with efficient heat dissipation significantly extends the machine's service life. The 4-wheel and track drive reduction gearbox is capable of adapting to various extreme working conditions. Fully electric integrated control technology, intelligent control for energy saving, high efficiency and reliability. I am the new benchmark for efficient mining operations. Use CKMM. You are guaranteed